Have you ever signed up for a new platform or business account and been asked to verify your identity? You might have heard the term KYC. But what exactly does that mean, and why is it so important? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a process businesses use to verify who you are before allowing you to make financial transactions, join programs, or access certain services. Now, you might be thinking, why do they need all this information? The answer is simple: protection. KYC helps prevent fraud, identity theft, and money laundering. It keeps businesses legitimate and keeps your information safe. So, what does KYC actually involve? Most of the time, it's just 3 simple steps. 1. 2. Submitting your photo ID, like a passport or national ID. 2. Providing proof of address, maybe a utility bill or bank statement. 3. Tom. Sometimes, taking a quick selfie or video verification just to confirm that you're really you. For business accounts, KYC can also include verifying the company registration, tax ID, and ownership details. Now, who exactly needs to do KYC? Well, it's not just banks anymore. Let's break it down. Financial institutions, like banks, fintechs, and insurance companies, must complete KYC for every new customer. Businesses that handle money or online payments, like trading platforms, affiliate programs, or crypto exchanges, are also required to do KYC. High-value or regulated sectors, such as real estate, legal firms, or investment companies, all rely on KYC to confirm the legitimacy of their clients. And even online communities or educational platforms may ask members to complete KYC, not to invade privacy, but to ensure fairness, authenticity, and compliance within the system. Think of it this way: KYC isn't just a rule, it's a shield. It protects your identity, your money, and your peace of mind. It's how businesses say, we value safety, we value trust. So, next time you're asked to verify your ID, don't see it as a hassle. See it as part of the process that keeps the system clean, transparent, and safe for everyone. KYC. Know your customer. Know your value. Know you're protected.